In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams password through your web browser. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to enhance your account security or if it's simply time for an update. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you need to log into Microsoft Teams using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a three-dot icon, which is conveniently located next to your profile picture. This icon is your gateway to various settings, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you've clicked on the three-dot icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window where you'll have access to a variety of account-related options. With the Settings menu open, the next thing you want to do is click on Accounts and Orgs. This section is designed to manage your different accounts and organizational settings, ensuring you have maximum control over your workspace. In this area, look for and click on Manage. This action will redirect you straight to your Microsoft account page, where you can further personalize your account settings. Now that you're on your Microsoft account page, focus on the Security section. This is where you can oversee all things related to your account's safety and sign-in preferences. Click on Security, and then proceed to How I Manage Sign-In. This particular section is crucial because it lays out all the methods you use to access your account securely. Once you're in the How I Manage Sign-In area, search for the option that says Change Password and click on it. Before moving forward, keep in mind that to maintain a high level of security, the system will need to verify your identity first. This step is crucial to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your password. The verification process may involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number, or answering a security question. It's straightforward and is just there to keep your account safe. Once you have successfully completed the verification process, you will have the opportunity to change your password. Make sure to choose a strong new password that includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account more secure from unauthorized access, and that's how you update your Microsoft Teams password using your browser. Remember, regularly updating your passwords is a simple yet effective way to protect your accounts. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Until next time, take care and stay secure.